Yeah. Why herbal drugs or botanicals will continue to remain popular?
Botanicals will continue to remain in usage for a long time because for many plant material or for that matter naturopath, we don't have the viable synthetic alternatives. That is number one. Secondly, there are quite a few, if you look at today API, quite a few, almost, if I am not wrong, almost more than 60% of the API, they keep coming from the natural product, or at least their origin lies in the natural product. And with the result, actually, the natural product will continue to remain in usage for a long time.
So, what is the growth of herbal industry in recent years, and why is the need of herbal drugs in modern lifestyle?
Herbal drugs at this moment is growing as quite a comfortable pace. Currently, if you look at the world over trend, it is in the range of around 10 to 12% growth per annum. And India, we have a strategic advantage that we have a good flora in around and which need to be explored further. So certainly the growth is more in India as compared to the global growth.
So what are the difficulties associated with standardization of raw material?
As regarding to the standardization and quality evaluation of the botanicals or their product, there are certain problems associated with it. And some important problems are a complexity, because all the natural products, it is not just one ingredient which they have it, but it's a complex combination of many ingredients, and that poses a problem actually as regard to the analysis. Secondly, being a natural product, they tend to vary in their composition, and even within that composition, they tend to vary in terms of the percentage. And other factors which can influence the quality of the herbal actually are environmental problem, geographical location. Those are the other problems actually which eventually contribute to the complexity of the standardization or for that matter evaluation of the herbal drugs.